How to find draft videos on YouTube. So if you want to find draft videos on YouTube, then first let's open up YouTube application. Once you open your YouTube, now go for the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle. Tap on the plus and then you can simply go for shorts. And under your shorts, you can simply record something like, for example, I'll be recording something for 2 to 3 seconds. Once you've recorded something, you need to go for the upper left, which has that cross or the wrong icon. Tap on that and then tap on save as draft or save and exit. Tap on that and it will save that video or that short as a draft. And now what you need to do is you can simply remove the YouTube application and you need to again open up your YouTube. Once you've opened your YouTube, now you can simply go for the plus icon, which is on the bottom again. Tap on the plus and here it will ask you if you want to continue your draft video. So if you want to continue the draft video, tap on continue and it will take you to the draft video. Or if you don't want to continue and if you want to simply take another new video, then tap on start over and it will simply start over. So that's how you can go for your draft on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.